Keith Richards of the Rolling Stones has revealed he pays a small tribute every day to well-missed band member and friend Charlie Watts, who sadly passed away in 2021. The band are set to release a brand new album, Hackney Diamonds, this month, October 20th, which features 2 tracks recorded with Watts on drums back in 2019. Watts features on tracks Mess It Up and Live by the Sword. Steve Jordan has provided drums on the rest of the album. Since Watts' passing, the band have consistently shared how much they miss and think about the legendary musician. In an interview on The Howard Stern Show, Richards got tearful hearing Watts on Live by the Sword, and shared the way he pays tribute to him each day. "I miss Charlie every day," he begins. "As I come out of my bedroom, the first thing I see is a portrait of Charlie on the staircase. I always give him a salute on the way. Charlie Watts was a solid guy." The first single, Angry, from the forthcoming release is out now. It has also been reported that a documentary surrounding the making of the album is in the works, and the rockers have already revealed that they are working on its follow-up. The band's former bassist, Bill Wyman, also features on the album alongside Watts on Live by the Sword. He retired from the band in 1993. "We asked Bill to come into the studio, and he came and did 1 track, so the original Rolling Stones rhythm section is one track," confirmed frontman Mick Jagger during a live launch event in London last month, September.